everybody, it's Bunny, and today is going to be a fashion video. A try-on haul, in fact. Does this thing... Oh, I feel the funky beat. My Spice Girls tank top is dying. One like equals one prayer that this tank top will survive throughout the entirety of the video. I have a shockingly small, yet shockingly hefty box from DOLLSKILL today. Oh boy. The other day, they did a 20% off coupon sale, and coupons are like my kryptonite. If I see a coupon and I've got something that's been hanging out in my cart for a little while, that coupon is going to awaken the retail demon inside of me, and as if I've been possessed, I will press checkout. The things that had been living in my DOLLSKILL cart for quite some time is mostly the troll collection. Have you guys seen this stuff? It is an entire collection of clothing devoted to our friends, the trolls. And I love, of course I'm gonna love this. Need I say more? This is the only treasure troll. You're not even a treasure troll, my darling. You don't need to hear that. Cover your ears. This is the only troll I've ever found at a thrift store. Let's look at these troll pieces and we'll see exactly how wearable or weird they are. Sometimes I do feel like a lot of the clothing on DOLLSKILL is like strictly made for people who go to like music festivals and stuff. And some of this I feel might be like that. Anyway, let's dive in. The very first thing I shockingly selected. Ooh, the fabric is kind of funky. I was expecting the touch, the feel of cotton, the fabric of our lives, but what I got is a polyester blend. Before we have discussion, I'll show you guys the second piece. I will show it to you guys as a collection, and I will justify my reasoning. Oh my god. I will try and justify my reasoning for making this purchase. Out of a lot of the pieces, I felt like the pattern of this fabric was clearly some of the most trolly. That doesn't make any sense. It made me happy. I feel like a lot of different trolls, a lot of different troll hair colors are all represented on this piece. These are capri length pants. Does anybody call this length pedal pushers anymore? I never even knew what that meant. When I was younger, I thought that the phrase was petal pushers, but I guess it's pedal pushers, like a bike. But what does either of those phrases mean? Like, why would you need shorter pants to push pedals? I don't know. I just noticed the hang tags. We've got troll head and hair on one side, and then on the flip side, there is their little treasure troll tummies. Mostly, I was excited about the crazy capri pants since they did have this thick blue troll hair at the bottom. A while ago, DOLLSKILL had a shirt that I swear was the exact same cut. That shirt, I wish I could show it to you guys. I don't know where it is. There's like a chance it's still in the laundry room from when I took it to South by Southwest. That was like last month. And it ended up not being so atrociously cropped. Because you guys know, I don't like crops. When will the era of crop end? This has been going on for years. I feel like we've been at war for years with crop tops. I thought a couple of years ago, like, surely there must be an end to this. Like, people will want to buy whole shirts again. But unfortunately, I feel like we've taken about 10 steps back, because not only do I see a lot of crop tops being offered now, but I see like literally what is just not a shirt. It's not a shirt. Like, so many crops now like are just barely going to cover the boobs. And they're selling these things for like $50 and $40. Why? Why? There's not $50 of fabric there. Actually, quite adorable, right? I love the hairy pants. I mean, the hairy pants is definitely what sold me on this look. When I'm wearing the two pieces together, I don't feel like it is majorly croppy. I love the print on. I feel like it is super funky, super vibrant, almost on the cusp of like a color palette from the 80s. I'm probably serving you guys hardcore underwear lines right now, so just ignore that. pretend like you're not seeing it. You guys have to let me know, like, how practical do you find an outfit like this? Would you personally go out in an outfit that's kind of like this loud, this comical, this crazy, or is this kind of like too much in you guys' opinion? My only critique definitely is the fabric. Like the print, the fit, everything is so adorable. The fact whether something is cotton or not usually is like the dividing line between yes, I will purchase or no, I will not. Are y'all like that? Like, are there certain fabrics that entice you or encourage you or discourage you from buying certain pieces? Like, I don't know how big of a deal that is. This just feels a little like Halloween costumey to me. I definitely do recommend that you guys do the size up method if you're trying to get something less croppy. I love saying croppy because crop is crap, so I'm literally just moving along. Next thing that I got is part of one of their newest Delia's drops, and I truthfully hope that the Delia's DOLLSKILL relationship continues for a very, very long time. I have not been disappointed by a collection they have released yet. I feel like the things just keep getting cuter and cuter and cuter. Another thing that I really liked about this latest DOLLSKILL Delia's drop is they offered the same print on a ton of different clothing items. Like, for instance, they offered the dreaded crop top in this heart print. I think they also had like some bicycle shorts, very cute, very tempting. They had this dress, which is what I ended up picking because I love dresses like this that are kind of the baby doll fit. They're not too tight, they're not too baggy. I find that they really can help me be stylish on lazier days. I feel like you can dress a piece up like this really easily with a special handbag or some shoes or what you do with your hair and makeup. Also, I love taking dresses like this on vacation. You guys know I go to Disney World a lot, and once again, I feel like I can do a cuter outfit, but also one that's not just like a lot of pieces, a lot of layers, a lot of effort. You get what I mean? Here's my magical little heart dress. I love the colors and the vibrancy of the print. Still, my only tiny critique is this dress is 100% rayon. I wish it was cotton. I literally could be the cotton spokesperson. I love the feel of cotton on my skin. Up next, we have my underwear, which is in the same print as the first couple of troll pieces. They're kind of like the boy brief style with the little like thing there, like the little faux. You know what I mean. The next thing was definitely the priciest item out of this whole order that I made. And you guys, I have desired these pants for months, but they were more expensive than I'd like to admit. And I was definitely waiting for a sweet, sweet coupon to roll along my way before I actually committed. This is actually a piece from another brand that DOLLSKILL stocks, and that brand is Whatever 21, and I love so many of their pieces. I only sprung for them because I thought that they would be really comfortable. I thought that they would be a piece that I would just wear time and time and time again. It's basically everything I love in clothing forever. Like, we've got black and white, we've got the checkerboard pattern. Ooh, there's even pockets on the butt. Wow, I don't feel like I'll ever use them, but hey, they're there for stylistic enhancement. And they have front pockets. Actually usable. I also felt like since they have this like patchwork vibe that it made them look a little bit more grungy. Oh my god. Has anybody ever noticed this before? Am I a fashion designer now? Look, you can wear pants as a shrug. I've unlocked a whole new trend. I will go ahead and confess to you guys how much these pants cost, and then you can tell me in the comments down below, did I just get pooped on? Is someone laughing at me right now for spending this much? These were $210, I think. That's before the discount. So they were $210 minus 20% off. I'm just not crazy about this whole waistband. Like, even though it was one size fits all, I was expecting a more traditional sweatpant waistband. This is just kind of like a single drawstring in here. Like it's literally like a shoelace. It is actually a shoelace, my God. And I also thought that the fabric was gonna be a little bit thicker. Like I thought it was sweatpants, but this, I don't know, it's good and bad. Like it's good because like the heat is coming. Okay, the sun is coming to sear my flesh off. It's Texas. We've had this discussion like in every video. It feels like 95 outside every day. So it ain't the season for pants anymore. We're not in Kansas. We're in Houston and it's hotter than Hades. Can you see me? If not, I look like a crazy person right now. I do feel like the white is slightly see-through. Anyway, how many minutes have I been talking about these pants? Here are my magical overpriced sweatpants. Rate them on a scale of 1 to 10. 1, I'm a complete idiot. 10, purchase justified. What I was trying to say about the thinness of the fabric is I feel like were I wearing vibrantly colored underwear right now, you could totally tell. Like if I was wearing like hot pink underwear right now, everyone on the internet would be able to see that. Thinking about the color of underwear that I put on as I'm getting dressed, I don't like to make that a necessity or a priority. Like I want to be able to wear any color underwear with no hesitation. Back to more trolls. This is once again a dreaded crop top. Why does everything I love have to be cropped? I ordered this 2 sizes larger, but it was so cute and I felt like this was the epitome of treasure trolls. So we've got this adorable rainbow haired treasure troll on the front, and he even has a little treasure belly button, and the back was super cute as well. We have his butt with a little heart, which I don't remember that. Do you have a heart on your butt? No. But then again, he's not a treasure troll. Anybody with a treasure troll out there, can you confirm? Hearts on the
buttocks
or no hearts on the
buttocks?
It's very important. It's for scientific research. Let me know down below. Definitely still more cropped than I would like. This top would go really well with like a sports bra or something underneath. Traditional bra straps like are going to show its cut more like inward than a normal tank top, you know what I mean? I used to get in trouble for that all the time because for whatever reason my aesthetic all through high school was bra strap showing. I'm just now traumatized by everybody giving me so much
spinach
for that in high school that now I feel shame for my bra straps. We're gonna have a moment. We're just gonna let our bra straps fly. Damn the critics. On we go to the next piece. I think it's time we look at an accessory. We've got this super cute, clear, troll, mini backpack. So many descriptors for this little guy. This is gonna make a perfect summer accessory. I almost said I could put a snow cone in it, but why the fuck would I do that? Why would I put no? If you're ever tempted to put a snow cone into your handbag, just say no. I kind of have this wild fantasy where I just fill it with trolls, which would assure that I carry nothing that I actually need in a day. I decided that not just 1 bag did I need from this collection, but 2 bags is what I needed. I bought this one with complete intent to kind of redo it a little bit, rework it a little bit, which is almost why I didn't buy it, honestly, because how annoying is it to kind of like make a purchase? What the hell? My hair and my psyche unraveling before your very eyes. Anyway, I feel like it is exceptionally stupid to pay full price for an item knowing that you're going to want to change something about it or do a little DIY to it. How do you guys feel about that? Since I had the 20% off coupon, I decided, why the heck not? Buy it anyway and just kind of like see how it is in person. This is freaking adorable. I love everything about it except for the hair. I bought this with full intention that I was going to try and add some hair to this guy. He's a troll. Like, hair is the most important integral part of a treasure troll is its freaking hair, okay? And this one, you know, he looks like he's going bald from stress, and I know that feeling, okay? But I don't want to see that in my treasure trolls. I want my treasure trolls to have luscious, voluminous hair and I'm just not getting it from this little guy, you know? Might be harder than I thought. We might be implementing something I dread in the crafting world, which is hot glue. What do you guys think? Like, am I being, like, you know, does he have enough hair? Is he experiencing troll pattern baldness? Oh my God, his hair is flying everywhere. I'm probably stressing him out from calling him bald. So cute, so cute, so cute, so cute. Do you guys see this hair in the air? Wow. Up next, we have one of the other things that I was most excited to get, least likely to wear, but I thought, when am I ever gonna get the chance to waste my money on this again? It is another combo set. I ultimately feel like this is for somebody going to a rave somewhere. I am envious of your life. I feel like that's my alter ego with like sapphire bright blue hair, and I go to raves a lot and I have a glow stick in my hand. You know, in my fantasies, that's who I am. And I was like re-looking at these pieces for the 11,000th time. I noticed the detail on the skirt. And I decided it was just too cute. It was just too cute. It was just take the money, light it on fire, get your treasure troll pants. I wish these were pants. How am I gonna wear this clear skirt and clear bra top? It's just too funny to have a hairy, furry, clear bra. Like, I'm laughing right now. Not to make you feel bad, but my bra has longer hair than you right now, buddy. Holy guacamole, ladies and gents. How is this a practical ensemble? You can't do the bend and snap in this. Do you know what I mean? Although my shorts are shorter than the skirt, I feel like shorts is like different, right? Because there is still the safety fabric in the middle. There's no safety feature here, unless I wore shorts underneath. How reasonable is this? It is like very sweaty, very heat inducing. I almost want to say I got this top to film in because as a YouTuber, usually nothing under this is visible. My rating of clothes is just like, can I see myself wearing this to the mall? And if the answer is probably not, then I usually don't buy it. Now we have 2 pairs of shoes because you guys know that my feet just can't resist. It's almost like my feet order things online late at night. It's like my brain goes to sleep, my feet take over and order more shoes. They're both Delia's. Of course they are. First of all, look at the wrapping paper, okay? How can you say no to this? I kind of feel like that was the Delia's logo. Just a random gack splat. I think these are both sandals, which is just shocking. Shocking that I would not only buy 1 pair of sandals, but 2. Unless they're like the quick, like flippy floppy kind that I just slide on to run out of my house. Sandals are usually not my first choice. I'm always wearing like boots or booties or ankle boots or some derivative of boots. I felt like they would go commandingly with this troll bag. Like, doesn't this just make a beautiful ensemble? Clear heel, as I'm sure you guys can tell, and they are plastic and they're covered in these really cute, vibrant PVC daisies. These I bought 100% because I swear I had something identical to, nearly identical to this in the actual 90s. I loved daisies when I was younger. I had a lot of daisy stuff. I also loved the platforminess of these sandals. It's gonna make me like 3 inches taller, so there's that. Even though I don't want to be taller, I love being short. People always think I'm tall. I am literally 5'3" and I love it. I would in fact elect to be shorter if I could. I feel like the ones that I had were either blue and black or white and black. I love it. I'm excited and it's raining. Ew. So you guys have to leave me a comment down below. Let me know which pieces were cute to you, which pieces were a success, which pieces are just maybe a little too ridiculous. As always, I would love to hear you guys' thoughts and opinions down below. If you enjoyed today's video or if you enjoy my presence, hit the button down below, subscribe, become a member of the Swamp family and give an alligator its wings, or leave a like or a comment. It really helps me out quite a bit and I really appreciate it. I love you guys so much and I will see y'all again very, very soon.